Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Lesson 24 discussions. So let's see our today's topic, my dear students. Class 6, subject English first paper, topic Lesson 24 discussion, annual term, lecture 7, no SW today. Teacher Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. As you can see, today's topic, Lesson 24, Wonders of the World 2, annual term, lecture 7. Let's read the following text and answer the question that follows. People often speak about the wonders of the past. Mostly they were huge buildings and constructions. They are awesome and fabulous, no doubt. But the wonders of the present world are so unbelievable. Read about the following recent inventions. Computers. The inventions of the computer is very important in human life. It has changed the lifestyle of people in the world. We use it every sphere of our life. We can use it for studies, communication, watching movies, listening to music, playing games, etc. In a moment, we can get information from any part of the world on the computer. People do not feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. Some of their friends and relatives also live in far-off countries. Even they can talk to them face-to-face on the Skype. With computer, a person can always keep himself updated. Everybody should learn to use the computer. In fact, the computer has made people's work easier and faster. At present, it has become a part of our daily life. So, let's see the word and synonym. Wonder, synonym is surprise, astonishment, important, significant, momentous, awesome, horrible, terrible, fabulous, imaginary, fictitious, change, alter, convert, lonely, solitary, lonesome, invention, discovery, findings, relative, kith and kin or relation. Number 1, choose the correct answer to these questions from the alternatives. Number 1, people often speak about the wonders of the past. Here the word wonder is similar to marvels, buildings, status, rockets. So wonder means marvels. We're moving to next page. Mostly there were huge buildings and construction. Here huge means tiny, gigantic, minute, and small. So answer is huge means gigantic. Number 3, there are awesome and fabulous, no doubt. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word fabulous? So wonderful, magnificent, marvelous, synonym of the word fabulous. So ordinary is the opposite of fabulous. But the wonders of the present world are so unbelievable. The word unbelievable means believable, credible, imaginable, incredible. So unbelievable means incredible. People do not feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. What does relative means? So classmate, mate, companion, relations. So relative means relation. It has changed the lifestyle of people in the world. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to changed? Altered, stabilized, transformed, reformed. So opposite meaning of change is stabilized, fixed. They are awesome and fabulous, no doubt. Which of the following word is not a synonym of the word awesome? Amazing, splendid, trivial, overwhelming. So overwhelming is splendid, amazing, similar word of fabulous, awesome. So trivial is not a synonym of the word awesome. In a moment, we can send information from any part of the world on the computer. The word moment means day, time, hour, instant. So answer is instant. Read about the following recent innovations. What does recent mean? Out of date, ancient, old, modern. So recent means modern. People do not feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to lonely? Together, isolated, lonesome, solitary. So opposite of lonely is together. Let's read the question answer. Answer the following questions. Number A, what has changed the lifestyle of people in the world? Answer is, the invention of computer has changed the lifestyle of the people in the world. How is the invention of computer in human life? The invention of computer is very important in human life. Where do we use computer? We use computer in every sphere of our life. How can people talk to their relatives face to face? People can't talk to their relatives face to face on the Skyping. Why should we learn to use computer? We should learn to use computer to keep us updated. So my dear students, no SW today. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.